Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we got a little fire kit from a company called Blackbeard Fire, and we're going to be taking a look at it. So yeah, let's see how pirates make fires. Alright, so this little fire kit comes to us from Blackbeard Fire. You can find them at blackbeardfire.com, and they sell all kinds of other products other than this particular kit, which I will show you right now. So you can go to the website and check them out, and you can see here they sell a couple of the little products. But this particular fire kit is called the Pirate's Plunder, and as recording time of this video, this was on sale for $74.95. So we're going to see what all they give you for that 75 bucks. And the little case that everything comes in, it's a nice case. You know, you do have a normal carry handle. It does have two snaps here, and has like some MOLLE type attachments, which is good. And let's see, the material feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap, let's just say that. And it has a pocket. It has a little mesh pocket right there in the front. So, you know, about 3/4 of the front is a pocket. This is a Velcro piece, and they do give you this little Blackbeard fire starter little patch. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside this pocket, because there is some stuff in this pocket. And it's really tucked in there really hard. I tell you what, let's do this. Let's open it up. Sketch that. Let's open it up so we can alleviate some of that pressure. Alright, so in the front compartment, they gave us looks like a little carrying string. It just looks like a little carrying string that is probably for this little lighter that is included in this kit, and it does have Blackbeard fire starter logo imprinted on it. Focus. And this is one of those, let's see, this is one of those electric, let's see, I don't know, it may not have enough juice to, oh it does. It does have, let's see if I can get you to see that. It may not pick up. Oh, let's see if I put the bag behind it. Yeah, you can see it. It does work, so, and it does have, right here, it does have a little charging port for the included cable that you get. So yeah, these lighters are really neat because it's kind of like a plasma reaction that you can use to light instead of using a traditional fuel like what's in a traditional flint lighter, like a mine just went blank. But yeah, just like a traditional lighter, so that's nice. And plus you can charge these off of a power bank. So if you have a power bank, you can plug this into it and you can actually charge the lighter. Now, how long the charge is going to actually last in this particular lighter, you know, I don't know. And how long it would hold up over extended amount of time to something like a Zippo, you know, where as long as you know, they'll go for a long time. I know I've had Zippos without actually replacing the wicks in them, and they've lasted for a pretty good while. But inside this kit, we have 4 of these that are tender. And what it is, this is one of the things that they sell on their website. And pretty much what this is just a piece of rope. And it is infused with what they call, on their website at least, they say it's 100% cotton mixed with a specialized blend of waxes. And that's from their own website. And you can take this and you can, of course, cut it to, you know, only use, you know, however much you want. You don't need to, of course, you don't need to light this entire thing. And it's intended as a fire starter, not something that you're going to take this and, you know, make a fire out of it. So I'm pretty sure everybody knows that, but I'm just going to put that out there anyway. Okay, and in the Pirates Plunder kit, they give you a pretty big ferro rod. It's a pretty it's a pretty stout rod, and it has this nice, really cool yellow and black cordage on it, which is really cool. It's really nice. And then a kind of a standard fair striker that has some markings on it, and looks like this could be a can opener, and maybe like a little wrench of some kind, possibly. So yeah, you do get, in the kit, you get two ways to actually create a spark. Well, not so much a spark with that, but the plasma. So you can light with the lighter, and you can light with this. So this kit has everything in it that you need to actually start a fire. And I'm going to tell you, like when I had to open the pack, this little kit, to get the stuff out of the front, there was not a whole lot of extra room in this pack. This stuff is really squeezed in here pretty good. So I'm going to put everything back in it and see how much room for supplementation, if you wanted to add just a couple little personalized things that maybe it's your own preference, just see how much room you can get in this little bag. And this thing is actually it's really nice. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can squeeze two of them in one side, which I don't think I'm gonna do that. And I guess I should show this too. The actual pack here does have a pocket right here and a pocket right here that you technically maybe could get some more stuff in. They definitely give you the option of the space in this little pack. But these pieces of rope, man, they take up a lot of real estate. Now, just a thought here. You don't need to take all four of these, because putting all four of these back in this pack, it makes the pack bulky, putting all four of them in there, and you don't need all four of them. So let's just say, for the sake of saying, you just took one of these. Well, that changes this whole sort of dynamic of this pack, because you can see there in the middle, it does have some extra material, so that this, when it closes, it can close and it can puff out a lot more. So with taking one of these pieces out, yeah, the pack has a lot more room. So depending on usage, or how long you were going to go out with this particular kit, you could supplement it with, I don't know. You don't really need something to fire related, because you have the rod, you have the lighter, as long as the lighter's charged. Now, one thing I would say you could do, if you were so inclined, you could put in one of these pockets right here, you could put a little power bank. You can get those little power banks that are only like yay big, and you could charge that, put one of those in here, so that you would have a way to keep your little plasma lighter going. Yeah, so you could definitely do that. And then you could probably put two of these in there. And again, these are actually not bad. I've seen on the website, I've seen people actually using them to start fires, and they do good. They do good, as these type of things will. So, but here's the issue: $75. $75 for four of these, the ferrocerium rod, the lighter, and the pack. Is pretty much what you're getting here. This is what your money is getting you. Your $75. Okay, so you got the pack, the rod, four of their ropes, and their plasma lighter. $75. What do you guys think? And if you've had any experience with blackbeardfire.com, I'd really, really like to know that. So sound off in the comment section down below. And what do you think about this kit? Definitely you don't need to take all four of these out at one time. So, that's something to consider, and you could supplement the pack. So let me know in the comment section down below. If you made this far, thank you, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace.